Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting. And today we're continuing our series on the 10 easy steps to creating your own company. So last time we talked about step number 3, which is finding out the availability of names. And step number 4 is the simple next step of that, of actually registering those names. So on the website or email, you've got all kinds of different options for your name. So you've got .com, .co, .org, .net. So there's a whole bunch of those. So if the .com you're looking for is not available, search those other website endings, and you can probably find one that's available. The other ones that aren't .coms are usually a bit cheaper as well. And so some of the more common names are pretty expensive. So if you go with one of those alternate endings, you can save yourself a lot of money. But most of them are usually just a few dollars a year. So go ahead and lock one of those down. You've got it. Once you have it, no one else can get it. And it puts you one step closer to having that company ready to go. So that's step number 4. This is an easy one. It's 10 easy steps to creating your company. So now you're one step closer. If you have any questions about that, or any comments, go ahead and leave them below, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.